Porsche 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series stands out not only for its exceptional performance, but also for its distinctive aesthetic appeal, much of which is attributed to the meticulous craftsmanship of Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur, particularly in the wheel manufacturing process. Here's an insight into how these unique wheels are created. The process begins with the design phase, where Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur emphasizes bespoke elements that complement the exclusive nature of the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series. Customers can choose from a variety of finishes and colors that match or contrast with the car's body color. The design not only focuses on aesthetic, but also on functional aspects like reducing weight while maintaining strength and balance. High-quality materials are paramount in the manufacturing of these wheels. Porsche uses forged aluminum for its lightweight properties and strength, ensuring that the wheels can handle the dynamic stresses of high-speed driving. The choice of materials goes through rigorous testing to meet Porsche's exacting standards for durability and performance. Once the design and materials are finalized, precision machining takes place. State-of-the-art CNC machines carve the wheels from solid aluminum blocks to achieve the precise dimensions required. This process ensures that each wheel is perfectly balanced and meets the exact specifications for the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series. After machining, the wheels undergo various finishing processes, including polishing, painting, or powder coating, depending on the chosen design. Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur may apply a multi-layered paint finish to ensure color depth and durability. Some wheels feature a two-tone effect or a laser engraving that adds a unique identifier or a personalized touch as requested by the customer. Every wheel is subjected to stringent quality control checks. This includes dimensional checks, balance testing, and a thorough inspection to ensure that there are no defects in the finish or structure. The wheels are also tested under simulated driving conditions to ensure they can withstand the high-performance demands of the Porsche 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series. Finally, the wheels are fitted with high-performance tires that match the vehicle's specifications. The assembly is done with precision to ensure that the fit is perfect and the wheel-tire combination works harmoniously to deliver the driving experience expected from a Porsche. This detailed and meticulous approach to wheel manufacturing by Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur ensures that the wheels of the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series not only enhance the visual appeal of the vehicle, but also contribute to its legendary performance and driving dynamics.